She's gonna go with that. I'll say Royal Bengal.
Oh, Jugs, we're waiting for. No, wait a minute. We're still waiting for the craft to get in the water.
Welcome to the 50th anniversary Royal Rosarian Milk Carton Boat Race presented by Alpen Rose Dairy.
Crews, are you ready? Racers ready? How do we do this?
Ready, set, go.
Bengals is having some problems getting them out of the way. Now the cool part about this is the engineering factor. I'm noticing this right now with the kayak seems to work better than the single oar stuff.
And getting a rhythm. That's
exactly.
2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Boat number 3 really doing good.
Doing good.
I think that's our kid grew up in the boat.
Racers ready, go!
I like this first one, the Milky Way. It looks like a parade float.
Yeah. Now look at Tsunami here, and Neon. Oh, they're moving.
Tsunami's got a stern wheeler.
I was going to say, is that legal? Is that legal to have a stern wheeler? And the Neon is just like, go. This is going to be a tight race.
This is.
Calamity, come on, Calamity.
We're staying cool.
Milky Way is doing great. Milky Way is doing very good. It would be a good play for it. Look at that.
The finish line better have a photograph ready because this is going to be close.
Yeah. This is going to be... And Patty Wild becomes the halfway point. Meanwhile, Valhalla. Here you go. Good job, Valhalla.